You know, I've heard scaring someone is a good way to get rid of hiccups, but I think you took it a little too far.
The world according to John.
Hello and welcome to The World According to John. My name is, as you know, Jonathan Paula, and in today's video we're going to talk about Private First Class Patrick Edward Myers, a 27-year-old from, you guessed it, Texas, who decided to cure his friend's hiccups by shooting him in the face. I say decided, but really Myers didn't intentionally shoot his friend in the face last September. It was an accident. However, he has been charged with manslaughter and a $1 million bail has been set. Unfortunately for the deceased, a Private First Class Isaac Lawrence Young, 22 years old from Missouri, he's dead. And I suppose the upside to this kind of terrible, quirky tragedy is that he doesn't have the hiccups anymore. The police said, and I quote, "The victim had the hiccups. The suspect pulled out a gun to scare him in order to stop the hiccups." Okay, well, you should just stop right there. When did you think using a gun would be a good idea to get, hey, I'll just shoot a couple of rounds by your head and maybe the sound will snap you out of it? What are you thinking, dude? Like, your friend is dead now, so I'm sure you don't need a lecture. But seriously, are you kidding me? Did you actually think, hey, your hiccups gone? What? You're an idiot. That is the dumbest fucking thing I have heard all year. And apparently when he was trying to scare his friend, you know, a round went off and it killed him. But I read this headline and I'm like, oh, that's like a joke, right? That's from The Onion. That's just like a plot from a bad stoner movie. No, this actually happened to a couple of unfortunate guys in Texas in September. I'm speechless, frankly. But that'll have to do it for this video. So please let me know what you think about this story in the comments down below. But for now, that is the world according to me. My name is Jonathan Paula. Thank you for watching and listening. I hope to see you right back here in the very near future.